There are many beginners who want to learn fluent English to speak, but several times they pronounce many words wrong. And because of their wrong pronunciation, they stuck between their communications. And to solve this type of problems, I have made this video in which you will know the 20 words which you daily use but pronounce it wrong. And believe me, it will improve your fluent English. So watch this video till the end. Hello friends, I am Vaishnavi Singh from Kids Knowledge Video and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to talk about 20 words which you daily say but you pronounce it wrong. And after watching this video, you will no more pronounce it wrong. But before that, I would say that I had made many efforts to make this video, and so I deserve a like, subscribe and share. So I request please subscribe to my channel to get amazing videos.
1, 2, 3, come on!
Come on! So our first word is pronunciation. But wait, do you say it pronunciation? And if you say that, you are wrong. Because the word between pro and ciation, which is pronounced noun by many peoples, is exactly pronounced none. So you have to say it pronunciation, not pronunciation. And our next word is police, but many of us say it police or police. But I want to say that both the pronunciations are wrong. The correct pronunciation is police, only per and lease, which is police. Next word is restaurant, but do you say it restaurant? And if you say that, you are obviously wrong, because the correct pronunciation is restaurant, in which there are two courses, rest and ront, which is pronounced restaurant. And because we are talking about restaurant, let's talk about some food also, like pizza. This food is favorite of many people, but they say it pizza or pizza and all, but the correct pronunciation is pizza. The first course is pit and second is sa, pizza. I want to say that there is nothing the sound like that z. There is only pizza. There is nothing like z. So don't say it z, but say it sa. Let's move on to our next word, which is breakfast. But some people say it breakfast or breakfast, but it is breakfast, in which there is two courses. First is break and second is fast, not fast, only fast, breakfast. Next word is vegetable. Oh, I'm sorry, it is not vegetable, it's just vegetable, in which there is also two courses only. First is veg and second is table, vegetable. And what if your water tap breaks down? You will obviously call the plumber, not plumber. In fact, in many words where there is a combination of M and B, we pronounce it B, like in climb. But you have no need to pronounce B, you should only say climb. However, it does not fit at all words. Some words are different, but I think almost all words with combination of M and B is pronounced with B. Suppose today is Wednesday, and what if I ask my friend that what day is today? He say Wednesday. It will be an embarrassment for him because the correct pronunciation is Wednesday. Oh, I'm sorry, the correct pronunciation is Wednesday, not Wednesday. So in which you have to silent the D and say it only Wednesday. And our next word is mischievous, but because there is a C and H in between the miss and chievous, some people pronounce it mischievous, but it does not sound like that chi. It is she. So you have to say it mischievous. And you know what? There are many words like mischievous in which they consist C and H. I mean the combination of C and H, which sounds obviously ch, but in reality it is she. So English is very complicated. And so now next word is develop. but many of us used to speak it develop, but it is not develop, it is develop, in which there are three courses. First is D, second is well, and third is lup, develop. And next word, but before that let's do some studies. And if you want to study, just tell me that which subject will you choose. Will you choose zoology or zoology? Yes, you are correct. Our next word is zoology. Many of us used to speak it zoology, but it's not zoo and logy, it is zoology. First course zoo and second course ology. So if we combine that, the word becomes zoology. And next word is photography. Yes, obviously some of us says it photography, but it is wrong, because when there is a single photo we say it photo, but when it combines with graphy we can't say it photography. It should say it be photography. When there is a three courses, first is for, second is to, third is graphy, and so it obviously says like photography. And next is your favorite word, which is jewelry. But yes, because of its spelling, some people say jewelry. Jewelry, not it's jewelry, it's jewelry. And now next word is schedule, but again some people say it schedule, and I think not some people, I think almost people say it schedule, but the real pronunciation is schedule. Even I also pronounced it schedule, but the correct pronunciation is schedule. Next word is strategic, but yes, many people get wrong by saying strategic, and this is so because there is a noun which is strategy. But remember that this is not a noun, strategic is an adjective, and in this adjective we should not say it strategic, we should say it strategic, in which there are three courses. First is straw, and second is tea, third is jig. Strategic, the stress is on second course, strategic. So this is the next word. Is it comfortable or comfortable? Yes, it's comfortable, but many people mistaken by saying it comfortable. It's not comfortable, it's just comfortable. And our next word is escape, but yes, again many people mistaken by saying it escape, but I want to say that there is no sound like that x, it's just s, so you have to say it escape, not escape. Escape. And the next word is the name of month. Yes, it's the second month, February, but many people say it February by saying it fastly, but yes, it's wrong, it's not February, it's just February, and there is four courses in it. First is Feb, second is Ru, third is Air, and fourth is Y, and February. And next word is federal. Yes, I know you might be wondering that why I am saying it federal. I should just say federal, but I am saying it federal because it's the only correct pronunciation of this word. Yes, it's really federal, not federal. It's federal, in which there are three courses, as you can see. And finally our last word, which is library, but many people again mistaken it by saying library or library. Both the pronunciations are wrong because the correct pronunciation is library. There are three courses, library, library.